Problem on echo. Problem 1. A person clapped his hands near a cliff and heard the echo after 5 seconds. What is the distance of the cliff from the person if the speed of the sound v is taken as 346 meters per second? Basically, a person clapped his hands near a huge cliff. What happens when he claps? That sound travels to the cliff and then it gets reflected back. Now what is given is the echo is heard after 5 seconds. So it took 5 seconds for the sound to reach the cliff and back to the person. And we need to find what is the distance. And v is given, the speed of the sound is given as 346 meters per second. So what is the distance between the person and the cliff? So let us see what is given. The time taken for echo to be heard, t is 5 seconds. Now speed of sound of this clapping, v is 346 meter per second. What is the distance traveled by the sound? Because we have sounds time and sounds speed. So we will be able to find the distance traveled by the sound. So the distance traveled by the sound d is equal to v into t, which is 346 into 5, which gives rise to 1730 meter. So the distance, this d, is from person to cliff and cliff to person. This d is defined as distance between person to cliff and cliff to person. Why? Because the time that we have taken is for the sound wave to travel to the cliff and back. Now if we want to find out what is the distance of the cliff to the person, it has to be half of this, which is 1730 divided by 2. So this gives rise to 865 meter. So this is the way we can find the distance between the source of the sound and the reflecting surface.